The art of making sushi has been perfected over centuries in Japan. But today, we're breaking down this culinary masterpiece into simple, achievable steps that anyone can follow at home. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a sharp knife, a bamboo rolling mat called a makisu, a bowl of water mixed with rice vinegar for your hands, and a clean cutting board. These are your weapons of choice in the sushi-making battlefield. The foundation of great sushi is perfect rice. Start with high-quality, short-grain Japanese rice, washing it thoroughly until the water runs clear. Once cooked, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt while fanning the rice to create a glossy sheen. This is called sumeshi, seasoned sushi rice. Let's talk about fish. Unless you have access to sushi-grade fish, stick to cooked seafood or vegetables when you're beginning. If you're using raw fish, it must be sushi-grade from a trusted source. Food safety is paramount. Prepare your fillings by cutting them into long, thin strips. Whether it's cucumber, avocado, cooked shrimp, or tuna, consistency and size is key. These ingredients should be about the thickness of your pinky finger. Now comes the assembly. Place your bamboo mat on a clean surface and cover it with plastic wrap to prevent sticking. Take a half sheet of nori, dried seaweed, and place it shiny side down on the mat. With wet hands, grab about 3/4 cup of prepared rice. Spread it gently across the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip bare at the top edge. Don't mash the rice. Think of yourself as an artist creating a cloud-like layer. Create a shallow groove in the center of your rice. This is where your fillings will nestle. Place your chosen ingredients in a neat line, remembering that less is more. Overstuffing is the rookie's downfall. Here comes the moment of truth, rolling. Using the bamboo mat, lift the bottom edge and fold it over your filling. Apply gentle, even pressure across the roll. Don't squeeze too hard. We're making sushi, not a stress ball. Continue rolling forward, using the mat to shape your roll into a uniform cylinder. When you reach the bare strip of nori, brush it with a little water to seal the deal. The final step is cutting. With a sharp, wet knife, slice your roll into 6 or 8 pieces, using a single, decisive motion for each cut. Wipe your knife between cuts for the cleanest result. Presentation matters in Japanese cuisine. Arrange your pieces on a clean plate, garnish with pickled ginger and a dollop of wasabi if desired. A small dish of soy sauce completes the setting. Remember, making sushi is like learning to ride a bicycle. Your first attempts might be wobbly, but with practice comes perfection. The key is to maintain clean hands, use fresh ingredients, and approach each roll with patience and respect for the tradition. Traditional sushi masters spend years perfecting their craft, but don't let that intimidate you. Start with simple combinations like cucumber rolls or California rolls before advancing to more complex creations. Each roll you make will be better than the last. The beauty of homemade sushi lies not just in the eating, but in the meditative practice of creating something with your own hands. It's a skill that connects you to centuries of culinary tradition while allowing for personal creativity and expression. So gather your ingredients, prepare your workspace, and begin your journey into the art of sushi making. Remember, every sushi master started exactly where you are now, with their first roll.